Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're gonna see how we can download and install Git in our computer, and also we're gonna see how we can configure the Git, and also we can initialize Git on a folder. So first of all, to download the Git we have to go to the official site git-scm.com. From here we can download the latest version of Git. So once the download is completed, then it is pretty easy to install the Git. Now we have to check whether Git is properly installed or not. For this we are gonna use the command git -- version. If it shows the version of the Git properly, that means Git is installed properly in our computer. So now we have to configure the Git. So we have to set the username and email. So for this we have to write the command git config -- global. So we are setting the name and email globally. So we have to write user.name, and inside the quotation we have to write the name of the user. Similarly, to set the email we have to write git config -- global and then user.email, and inside the quotation we have to write the mail of the user. So once you have done with the configuration, let's just create one folder and initialize Git on that folder. So here we are inside the VS Code editor. Now let's just create one folder. So we have to write make directory. We're just going to create one folder called git demo. So here we have the folder. So here you can see we have created this folder git demo. Now inside the folder you can see the folder is empty. Now to initialize this folder we have to use the command git init. So after applying this command, you can see inside this git demo folder we have this hidden file. So this folder will be used by Git to keep track of all the changes we made to our project. So this is the way we can download and install Git in our system, and also initialize Git on a folder. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.